Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change default apps on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, go to your start or search menu. Now here on your start menu, on the search bar, you can just look for settings here. So you can type settings. Now, once you have found the settings, you have to click the open option. It will take you directly to your Windows account. Here you have to look for apps, tap on apps. And then what you're going to do is you have to look for a default app. So scroll on here on the left side, you should see default apps. And in order for you to just basically change a default apps on Windows, so you have your options right here. If you want to choose a default app for your web, you can tap the plus icon and then you will see here some options. And if you can't find one, then you can also install from your Microsoft Store. So let's just say for web, you choose Microsoft Edge. For picture or photo, you can choose from any of the options below. Same goes with the video. And also, if you want to change a default app for web browser, just tap the plus icon, and that's how you basically choose a default application for each. Same thing for a specific application, you just have to click the plus icon to select a default app for that. So basically, that's it. That's how to change default apps on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.